Holy shit, man. Oh. Eh? Wow. Wow. Hello! Let's see. Holy shit. Yeah? So maybe we move the bikes forward, cram them all there, then just put the car in here, because you know, even though it's bad in here, it's probably going to be worse outside. Yeah, whatever, it's sweatpants, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, let all the water in the garage.
That's true. No, but it's the driveway is downhill towards the street.
You saw it's rolling up against the garage.
No, that is true. Is the backyard? Yeah, the backyard's flooded also. Could this damage? Yeah. Yeah.
How deep is it over there?
I'm ankle high right here. I'll tell you right now, I'm walking towards the street. It's approaching knee high over here. No, no, it's like 6 inches under knee high. Right here, this is the deepest part right here. It's like 5 inches under my knee.
Below the tailpipe or above the tailpipe? Watch out, someone coming, watch out.
There's a lot of shit in here. Oh, okay. Wow. It's definitely above the... No, the tailpipes would go into it.
Would go into it, right?
Yeah, definitely. If you back up the tail... Yeah, that's what I was saying before. No, because if you put it in the garage, then all the water will go in the garage. So at least move it closer to the garage.
Yeah, I'll move it closer to the garage.
Could I do it?
I'll do it.
Alright.
Yeah, you want to do it, do it. Do it.
Alright.
It's wet already.
Want to film?
Is it filming now? The neighbor over there kept their car.
What?
Right next door to us.
Should I put my feet in? Does it matter?
Yeah, just put your feet in. Hi, how are you? Good.
Holy shit, man. That guy's driving a pickup and doing it. You know, when he drives along, he puts waves on our house. It's really... Holy. It's like the ocean.